Hey guys, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. This morning, actually, I want to share with you a really very sudden news. Last night, Elon Musk tweeted this: just released lower cost mid-range Tesla Model 3 and super simple new order page. Okay, and basically, he said that it cost $35,000 after federal tax rebates in California, but true cost of ownership is to 31,000 after gas savings. So, and then there's a discussion question. So let's go to the actual site. So this is how the site looks like. It is a rear wheel drive. The cost states here as 33,200 with an asterisk for 260 miles of range, 125 miles per hour top speed, 55.6 seconds per from 0 to 60. But the cost, the list price is $45,000. So he assumes that if you order it now and get it before the end of the year, by December, you will get $7,500 federal tax. If you live in California, it's $2,500 plus, and savings $33,000. So the only thing you can believe is the $7,500 by the end of this year, and the $2,500 if you live in California. That's it. So, and it does the same thing for the regular dual motor, okay, which the list price is 54,000 before saving, and then you have the performance, okay, for $64,000. So this basically is the $45,000, 260 miles, which is a very nice range. You don't need more than that, and you can still have all the other additions. You can choose paint, or you can choose wheel. If you choose that, yes, $1,500. If you choose the 19-inch wheels, and the interior, basically, you get all the premium heated seating and everything that you will get in the other models. And the autopilot, I think it's yes, it is a $5,000 option that you can choose. You can choose that $5,000 option for the autopilot. So if you get this car without any options, then you'll just pay $45,000. It's $4,000 less than what the long range used to be without any of the options, the one that I own. Okay, so that's that. So the best thing to do is, if you want to receive the entire incentive, is to order it right away and get it according to what he says, and get it 6 to 10 weeks. Like it says, delivered 6 to 10 weeks, which should be fine before December. So if you are interested in ordering a Model 3, there is a referral link below in my videos, and I'll keep you posted, see what happens. This is exciting. Thank you, guys.